How to delete your Cash App account in 2023. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete your Cash App account, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Cash App on your device. Then once you launch Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface where you just want to tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, here you'll find a section where it says support. So just tap on support, and then as and when you tap on the support tab, here you'll find the option called search box, which is at the very top. So you want to simply search for close Cash App account keyword, and when you search for close Cash App, you'll find the recent search result that says close your Cash App account. So just tap on close your Cash App account here. As you do that, you can see a list of details, so just tap the confirm button to successfully delete your Cash App account. And that's it for today's video on how you can close your Cash App account in 2023. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.